Hello friends. So today I have brought an awesome AI tools for all the architect and interior designer friends. Using this tool, you can complete your project visuals easily. You can put your old building and new building images right away. You can show all the new features with different infographics of your building easily. Also, this tool is also going to help you to create the 3D plan, interior designings, landscaping designings, 3D visualizations, and many more. So without waiting, let's go to the tools and try multiple use cases so you get the ideas how it's gonna be useful to you. So first of all, let's come to the tools website. So you can find the tools link in the description. So from right side, you can click on try now and you can log in using your Google account. After login, you can click on get started for free and you will reach to the dashboard. You can see all the different features regarding the designing, preparations and presentation for your interior or exterior designing. Now, I have already created one video in it where I have showed you how you can use interior remodel, furniture try-on, smart replacer, virtual staging, and many more these kind of features. So if you want to check that video and see how you can use this tool, you can find the link in the description as well as on the I button. In this video, I'm going to show you the new thing which I just came to know for this ideal house tool. So here one on the top, you can see try the new interface. So let's click on it and you can see now the dashboard is completely changed. This is what I liked about this new update. This is much easier and minimal compared to the last one. Here on the top, you can see a box where you can write down about your idea, or if you would like to write the entire prompt, you can do it. At the bottom of box, you can see attachment option from where you can attach different images. Here we can see a model type. So currently it is Base and Pro, both are available. You can select any of them. At the bottom of box, you can see more buttons like General. Then you can click on Design and you see all the different models for designing will get available. You have to just select it, upload your image, select which kind of style you would like to have and just hit on generate. That's simple it is. Let's say if you are in your planning stage, you can click on plan and there you can have AI plan visualizers, floor plan generator and house plan generator. Means just get your floor plan from your builder or developer and put it here and you can see different ways how you can design interior of your house. Let's say if you have everything ready, you just need to add some more furniture part. You can click on furnished and you can change furniture, virtual staging, furniture try on and home decor idea. Same way from edit, you can replace or change some of your old furniture and check it out. Presentation is all about the video. So it's very easy to use. So today we are going to check a new feature called angle change. So you can change the angle of your interior and see different views from different side. So I'll show you with one example. I'm just going to upload one of my image. After that, I'm just going to write my small prompt. This is not a proper prompt, it's just a description of what I would like to have in my new image. So change the angle of this picture by rotating to camera to right left 180 degree. Keep the structure and texture all item same, do not change any elements. I just want to see the same photo from different angle. After that, you can select Base or Pro as a model and just hit on enter. This is that simple and you can see within few seconds our new image is ready. Now you can see a before and after change in the angle of the same row. Same way you can try with any number of photos of your designs. So now let's quickly check a second creative option which I found in the latest version, where you can upload your photo of entire plan entire building, and it shows you where the different section of building is situated and how the different movement and flow would happen. So this is really good feature for any kind of architect. So I'll quickly show you how you can do it. So let's say I'm just taking this building, newly constructed building, and then I just need to write down my prompt. So in my prompt, I'm just telling about there is the picture, and based upon the picture and interior decoration, generate the rationality of building profile and building structure of original building. Make sure original building is maintained and the functional space joining traffic flow lines of interior are displayed. Remove unnecessary textures surrounding if you want to remove the glares. So you can put down the way you want to. If you try multiple times, you get the idea how you can get the right pictures that you can include in your building process. So I'll show you. There is a 2 base and pro both model you can select. I selected pro and just hit on enter. So now this is gonna take few seconds to generate. So now you can see on your screen the before and after, where you can see where are the staircase, where will be the exterior seating areas, lunch area, director cabins, meeting rooms, and so on. So this is very useful if you want to showcase your entire building plan to your clients. So the next, we are going to check very innovative features where you're going to upload your existing building photos and use a small prompt, and you can show how the detailed breakdown of different section of building will look alike. So now let's go quickly and check with one image. So I have this image, so let's upload it, and I'm just going to paste my prompt which says the renovated old and new urban building. Please split its old and new part according to image and try to explain its construction process in the form of analysis diagram while adding technical structure analysis with text description. Now you can add, if you have very specific details about your new plan, you can also put it down here, and as per your description, a new image will be generated. So let me select my model as a pro and hit on generate. It's that simple, and within few seconds you can see on your screen a new image, and you can compare before and after image. Now let's say you have multiple images you generated and you just want to show the entire flow of different room, different details breakdown, or the floor plan and so on. So how are you going to do it? So you can just go back to your home and click on new project. Once you click on it, a new dashboard will open. You can put it down the name of your project, and then from the plus sign on the left side, you can click and upload your image. So I'm going to upload my old bedroom image. Once it is uploaded, you can see a same kind of UI will be appeared here. You can write it down like what you want to change, or you can just go and see all tools are available from here. You can click on interior remodel. A section for room type, style, elements, palettes are all appeared. So you can select one by one. So this one is my bedroom. So let me select the bedroom. Then the style, where I want to keep it as minimalistic. So if you want to add the elements, and if you have any color choice, you can do it, or just leave it as it is. And if you have any specific requirement, you can write it down like change the flooring with white marble and hit on enter, and within few seconds it's going to generate a new image on the right side. So now you can see the before and after image with my new furniture. Same way you can upload all the images of your room, and you can change multiple of them, and you can put down all here and show the entire workflow. And also on the left side you can see some elements are given that you can also use it to create your workflow. So with the new UI, you can see it's more cohesive, and you can put down different images into the same screen, and you can create the entire album and share it easily. Now let's say I just want to also get my plan uploaded, and I also want to show like how this plan has different bedroom, which photos are here, and I just also want to show the same plan into 3D rendering. Then I use here, go to plan, and then I click on AI plan visualizer. So you can see the image is attached. I'm going to select Pro as a model, plan type as like this for interior, style would be, I want to keep like this, view from the top side, and just hit on generate. So within few seconds our floor plan with the 3D image will be ready. So same way you can do the designing of your entire house by yourself, have multiple ideas of it, put down all the images together, and you can come to the conclusion for the final interior designing as a plan. I hope you learned something new about how you can use this tool to make your entire interior designing journey easier, and you can also try now with some new features. So I hope this video helped you to learn something new and improve your skill some way. If it is so, make sure you hit on like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your interior designing friends. See you in the next one.